Hello everyone, I'm Vedant. In this video, we'll see how we can convert a string from lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. So let's jump into the demo. We are here in Tosca Commander. As you can see, I have already created two test cases to change a string from uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. To convert a string from uppercase to lowercase, we'll need a module tboxsetBuffer. You'll you can find this module under module section, standard modules, tbox automation tools, buffer operations, tbox set buffer. Let's drag this module and drop it onto the test case. To convert a string from uppercase to lowercase, first of all I'll need a string with uppercase values. So I'll set a string with the help of tbox set buffer. I'll rename this step as set uppercase string and set a buffer with the name uppercase value. The value will be Vedant. Okay. Now I'll run this test step. As you can see, our buffer got stored with the uppercase value, and now we'll need to change this string to lowercase. For this, again I'll use the same module tboxsetBuffer and drop it onto the test case. I'll rename this test step as convert to lowercase. Here I'll put a buffer name which I want to create. I'll perform a calc operation on the uppercase string. Keep in mind, calc operation uses Excel expressions. So in order to use calc operations, Microsoft Excel need to be installed in your system. In curly braces calc, in square bracket lower, in round bracket name of the buffer which you want to convert. Also, you need to put 4 double quotes before and after buffer name. After buffer name and before buffer name. Now I'll run this test case. As you can see, our string got converted from uppercase to lowercase. I'll change the work state from planned to completed. Now we'll convert a lowercase string to uppercase. For this again I'll need to have a string. So I'll use a tboxsetBuffer module. I'll rename it as set lowercase string. I'll rename it as lowercase value. The value will be Tricentis. Again I'll use the same module tboxsetBuffer. I'll rename it as convert to uppercase value. And I'll name the buffer as uppercase value. In curly braces calc operation, in square braces upper, as we wanted to convert a string from lowercase to uppercase. In the round bracket name of the buffer. And 4 double quotes after buffer name. and before buffer name. I'll execute this test case. As you can see, our string successfully converted from lowercase to uppercase. I'll change the workstate of this test case from planned to completed. This is how we can convert a string from lowercase to uppercase and vice versa. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.